Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a push spin hook. So this is kind of core intermediate type level. It's obviously going to be helpful if you know how to do something like a first move hook spin or hook turn. And obviously knowing how to do a push spin to begin with is going to be really helpful. Links in the description below so you can go back and make sure you've got everything in your arsenal you need. So we're going to press on. First, the push spin hook looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Simple as. So let's break it down. We go semicircular back. It looks exactly like a normal push spin to begin with. We bring the lady forwards, left hand up goes up and flat, right goes in on the hip. Ladies can style the hand or place it on the guy's shoulder. On the guy's shoulder is the safe bet, or on the upper arm. Both of those are also going to make this hook really, really easy. It looks like we're sending the lady into the spin, but the right arm is going to go up underneath the lady's left, and we're hooking our hand behind the lady's forearm. And we're not gripping the arm, so the thumb's not involved. We're just making a barrier with our fingertips. We bring the lady to a stop, and then we bounce that energy back to get a return spin instead of a spin. Lady goes all the way around, as per usual, offers the right, we catch, lower and back. We'll do that again from the other side, give you the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircling back, 1, in and prepare a push spin. 2, send the lady into the spin but hook with the right hand. 3, return spin. 4, and catch. 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a push spin hook. You go a back, flat, hook, spin and catch. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll be helping to promote the channel, so we do appreciate everybody who does that, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.